Hi guys, so today I am harvesting from my mullein plant. I'm so excited. I've been waiting so long for this day, 2 years to be exact. I grew this mullein plant from seed and I just been waiting patiently for it to bloom and flower and all that good stuff. So I'm gathering up the leaves and I'm going to be making something out of it. I don't know yet. But if you don't know anything about mullein plant, it's a medicinal plant. Um, it's very good for your respiratory system. So if you have lung issues, a little minor cough or a cough, um, mullein plant is your go-to. Very good. I have a little sore throat, so I might have to, fix me up something to knock that out. So yeah, I'm so excited. Look how big it is. Yay!